Let's look at how to brainstorm for a business name. But do remember here, our focus is to brainstorm for online business names. When I say online, I mean having a domain name for your business. Nonetheless, these methods could also be applied for standard offline businesses. The first method that I would like to share here is called by association. So the method starts like this. First, you find the words that define your business. Words that will clearly define what your business is doing. For instance, if it's a cafe, coffee, if it's a network, if it's an app, and so forth. Then you find the feelings or features you want to convey to your customers. Then you look at associating those feelings or features with things like people, places, events, objects, expressions, actions, conditions, and etc. Now, once you have associated those feelings, you combine the associated words with the words that define your business and try to be obvious and not obvious in the same way. When I say obvious, it's like, well, if you're trying to sell computers online, if you have a brand name called online computers, now that's too obvious. Well, if you have a name like Digital World or PC Hub, then that's a bit different. That's less obvious. Now, let's look at a few examples to understand this better. Let's start with YouTube. Let's look at the name YouTube. It has U and Tube. So U essentially stands for, well, you, as in us, because we can upload videos on YouTube website. And the tube, the word tube, refers to, well, is an association with TV. As you know, the old-fashioned TV is actually built using a cathode ray tube before you have the LED screens. So that's why sometimes people call TV as a tube, hence the word YouTube. How about WhatsApp? Well, the original business idea for WhatsApp is not to be a chat messaging system. It's actually an app to show your status update. Just like on Facebook, the status update to show what's up with you. Hence, they came up with the word WhatsApp. What's up, as in UP, up. But they changed the word up to app. So they have the word WhatsApp. How about Social Pilot? You may not heard of Social Pilot. Social Pilot is actually a tool where you can manage your social media accounts. So obviously the first word they use is social, which means social media, and pilot. So pilot probably refers to autopilot, where the software is like an autopilot tool for you to manage your social media accounts automatically. Social Pilot. How about Crowdfire? Crowdfire is actually a competitor to Social Pilot. It's also a tool or an app actually for you to manage your social media accounts. A crowd is associated with social media because social media platform has lots of people. And fire probably is extracted from the meaning of wildfire. So it helps you to spread your social media presence on social media channels. So hence the word Crowdfire. How about Udemy? Udemy is actually a cross between U, as in you, Y-O-U, and academy. So the word Udemy is an online e-learning platform. And let's look at Google AdWords. So AdWords is combining the word ad for advertisement and words, keywords. So you can actually advertise your business on Google's AdWords, where you actually publish your ads on Google search engine results by associating your ads with search keywords that people use when they search. AdWords.